What is up, YouTube? DB Productions here. Today we're going to be building a candle rack for a show that we had a little less than a week. So yeah, we have 3 different kinds of Roman candles from Phantom. We have the blue Roman candle, we have the Wolfpack crackling candles, and then this is just assorted. So, yeah, as you can see, I have my laser fuse on there, just a couple zip ties. So that fuse obviously is a lot bigger. So this part is made, zip tied all this to some quick match, or quick fuse I should say. So then I'm gonna combine these 6 together. I think I should, oh yeah. Realistically, I can combine these 6 together to put in here, and then do one big master fuse, and that will be all handy dandy. So next I'm going to do is tape this. Okay, we got the second 6-pack made up. I haven't fully added these 2 fuses yet, but I'm going to. And I'll actually do that right now. So all I do is take some zip ties. You don't want to overkill it, over tighten it, because if you do that, it could be a chance that it won't ignite. So I typically do 2. Doesn't really matter, but then all I do, I just clean it up a bit. So now there's 6 candles ignited from 1 fuse, just like these ones. And now I have 1 more pack of candles. Is crackling Wolfpack candles, which are going to be interesting to kind of do. So this is what I got so far. All the candles are in the rack. I'm waiting to fuse them, and then I'm gonna fuse them, but which I'm about to do that step in just a second. But they're all in there, and they're kind of slightly at an angle, and I taped them at the bottom here. But yeah, so that is just a look at the Roman candle rack I made for the show that I have coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. DB Productions out.